Meaning of halberd.
halberd,
Halberd.
halberd,
Halberd. A halberd is a type of weapon that combines a spear with an axe or hook mounted on a long shaft. The spearhead is usually the main blade, while the axe head and hook are secondary. Historically used by soldiers and guards in Europe, the halberd's versatility made it a popular choice for both offense and defense. Today, halberds are mainly used as ceremonial weapons or decorations. However, the halberd's legacy lives on in the form of modern-day polearms used in martial arts and historical reenactments.